Hi all my gorgeous, this is once again Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. Today the most excited and the most recommended stuff is the kurtis. One among the stuff are the kurtis right now, which I am going to show. It's a casual wear where I got really a great response from all, and I should appreciate you everybody because you're the most smart purchaser, where I did not receive any complaints regarding the sizes. One or two here and there where they mix the sizes, but that's okay. But this time you be a little smarter in purchasing, in shopping at Shivani's Boutique. The first product is this. It's a beautiful kurti concept where I have got all the sizes in this. All the sizes in certain kurtis, and whatever is available in our boutique right now, we have updated in our website. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com, else click the above link which we have mentioned, which will straight away leads to our page. And Insta pages, please don't click the link, it will not click. You type the link in Google and then it will go to our page, or else you type www.shivanisboutique.com under the heading kurtis, so that these will be available. Whatever is sold out, we will immediately take away from that page, so that you cannot find the same product. For example, this is the first color. It's a beautiful peacock color with a little bit of works here and there, and it has a plazo pant. See this? This is the plazo pant where I have mentioned all the length, breadth, circumference and everything. And in this I have got all set wise M, S, M, L, XL and XXL. Whatever is sold out, we don't maximum repeat, because these are the challenging times where we don't get so much of good stocks. So, and this is the problem, this is the challenge. And once again, I wanted to take your ready-made top and not the stitched one, because stitched are customized and you will not get the proper size. Take your ready-made kurti or top, and then you have to measure this way. See this? So this is 19, which is 38, so that 36 and 38 size people can go for this stuff. You take your ready-made top, whichever you have purchased outside, take the top, measure first of all, and then select your size. So this is very simple, na? See, my second design is this, a beautiful nice cotton fabric. All descriptions I have made, whatever it is cotton or modal or chanderi, please read the description and then place your orders. And this is the beautiful plazo pants. These are really casual wears and very nice and lightweight. Just like that, you can go for nice beautiful color combinations, and the flow is really amazing. So see, these all are nice pretty ones. So for you to grab, easy purchase, each one can take 5 sets in each, I guess, because this time the collections are really good. See this? It's a bandhani cotton. It's a nice cotton with a plazo pant. See this? So I have mentioned the height of the pant, length of the pant. Alright, and I have got one more color, and this is pink. And then comes this, see, beautiful little bit of chamak work. It's also good. Always somebody will be always going for plain ones. That is also good. These are all have little hand embroideries. It's a little bit of work over there. It's a little bit of human touch where we are giving works to them also. So this is the plazo pant. See, in all the photography to the max, we have given you the correct colors. Only the blues and the aqua greens, they come in a little different way, which is quite natural. And see, in these two colors we have got, I'll open this blue, black. See this lovely prints, bandhani prints, and with a beautiful plazo pants. So this is how it is. And one more color is this navy blue. It's also so pretty. See, this is a modal stuff. All are really slim fit. See this, how does it look on me, and with a beautiful cotton pant. So that is the beauty of this. Alright, and then comes these, once again the modal fabric. Nice pretty colors with beautiful prints, all are pleasant looking. Just like that you can wear and go. This is a parallel pant. So sizes alone, you be careful. You just take your ready-made top and then measure your top and then place order with us, so that it will be very easy. Just like that you can wear, grab your stuff. Alright, see, all pink. These two are pink colors, but certainly of different shades. And then comes a beautiful blue color with a small little gotapati work here and there, and this comes with the plazo pants. So all are nice cotton loose pants, so that it is very comfortable for you guys to wear. For our Indian climates, sometimes we feel like we want to go for really loose ones, so plazos are so good at the time. When we want to have a chic fit, we can wear. For the same top, you can go for a leggings. See this, all nice. You can see a beautiful work on it. See this, the work is so amazing in this. And this is the top with a beautiful, once again, plazo pants. All nice colors with different concepts. So see this, yellow looks how it is. Yellow gives a very beautiful look all the time. All the colors. So this is the pant for this. Alright, and then comes these, some more repeats. It's a beautiful deep brown color with a beautiful printed pant in that. And then comes this with a nice beautiful cotton with plazo pants. See this, it's all very nice, slim fit and easy to wear with a nice plazo pants. Red color, nice blood red color. Wow, red is always sexy, right? And it always catches center of attraction. So this is the pant for this parallel pant. Of course, it's such a beautiful color, red color. And this is mustard yellow. These are all modal stuff. The flow is so amazing with a beautiful plazo pants. Once again, for prices, product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which we have mentioned, which will directly straight away leads to that page. It's a simple top with a beautiful printed, once again, yeah, with a beautiful printed pant. And also one more added value is it has a dupatta, nice soft cotton dupatta. See these are all posh colors. And then comes set wise, it's kurti concept but still a set wise. See, this is a top kurti with a beautiful parallel pants and then with a soft cotton dupatta. Look at this and show how does it look. So comes this way. It's very lightweight. Huh? How is it? All right. See this color. All nice new colors. See this, and it has a beautiful plazo pants. All right, floral print and with a beautiful soft cotton. See, the dupatta is this much only. The length is correct and the breadth is little short. That is half the dupatta, but it's very comfortable too for us to wear. The weight will not be so heavy. All the dupattas anyways are weightless only. See this, white. It's a muslin fabric. What I'm wearing, such kind of fabric. And then it comes with a beautiful Kota Doria dupatta. Oh wow. How it is, huh? Even this suits with this, my kurti. I do have the same. So this one, and I have got 2 colors in this. Alright, this is only the top and the dupatta concept. Please read the descriptions and then place your order. This is once again a beautiful modern fabric. How nice it is. I have surprised. Ta-da! It's a beautiful, nice chanderi dupatta. The flow is so nice. See this? How it is. Super now. So you can go for these. And then now comes our only kurti concept. Once again we are up with this product. It's a bottle green color. We have got sizes. So please log on to our website. I'll click the above link, which will lead straight away to this page. And alright. And then comes this blood red. Wow, it's so nice. You can go for a white legging or half white or black or peacock blue leggings. Oh my god, all looks amazing. See the work on it. And I have got beautiful colors in this. What color is this? It's a deep bottle green color. And see this? It's a mustard yellow color. So you can go for all the 3 guys. It's really worth. See this bandhani? It's a crochet work. See this. Amazing. And then comes one more bandhani with an embroidery. All are value added. See this? This with a beautiful, you have embroideries on the sleeves also. So nice. See this, only kurti. All different for you guys, for you to select. I definitely know you don't know what to select. Finally you will end up in selecting 10 pieces. Just grab it. See this? This comes with a beautiful cut on this, and then comes this full. It's actually detachable. Alright, it's a full kurti, full length kurti. Alright, you can wait, I'll take it out and show. You can wear like this, sleeveless. Once again top and once again 2. So that 3 dress in 1 dress. And then my final collection is this. It's a deep maroonish color. Nice fabric, slim fit also. So right now we are done. Grab your collection. Don't forget the size. For prices and product description, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which we have mentioned, which will straight away leads to this page. That's all. We are going to update lots and lots of materials and sarees and everything. So please be in touch with us. And what else? Be safe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.